So let's try this out. That's quite powerful, that is actually. Can you see that move? Well, that's good. It's got quite some force behind that. I'm surprised at that. Only a tiny little job like this, and it's got a good bit of force behind it. So there we are. It seems as if this filter is part cause of it, and I also have to clean this out of it. It's a mucky old job. Oh, very mucky. You can put a new one on if you wish. You can go carefully in between the blades, the fins of the filter. You might be able to clean it out, but it's quite clogged up actually. This is enough to stop the vacuum cleaner being able to turn the carpet agitator. You can see all the muck coming out of here. So there we are, a new filter, or you can spend 10 minutes, because I dare say that's going to cost you about 8 to 10 quid probably. So there we are, and there's your fault. It was clogged up with carpet twine on the bearings of the agitator, and this was blocked as well. And remember, now we have to put the little wheels back in, the rollers, and those are just a push fit in there. They just push in. There we are. Let's put that one in there. And here's the other one. And I've lost the axle. Here it is. Right here. Bloody thing. Right. Push this axle in here. And the axle's gone. Oh. This is real live time. Push that back in. A bit stiff. Anyway, I can get that in at another time, possibly the other way around. So there we are, and that's your little Eubank chili. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.